Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport 4x4 in black clear coat with 2 front tow hooks and 1 rear tow hook, fog lamps, deep tint sunscreen windows, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Freedom top, black 3-piece hardtop, rear window wiper and washer, reclining front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, premium instrument cluster with tachometer, Sirius XM satellite radio, Alpine Premium 9 speakers with all-weather subwoofer, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, command track shift with on-the-fly part-time 4-wheel drive, rear 60/40 folding seat, rear compartment covered storage, cargo tie-down loops, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5428.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.